My name is Khalid. Khalid Ali. I am a youth coordinator as well as a tobacco prevention coordinator here at SACO. I'm here along with my coworker and my colleague Ali. He's a community outreach, and today I wanted to ask him, Ali, what is going on with us today at the office, and if you can just explain a little bit about what we have going on today here.
Okay. So today we have a vaccine event. We have people from the county that we work with. So we have a lot of Somali people that have never gotten a vaccine shot, or they're getting their second or a booster. So we're helping them with that. And we're also helping families who either have blood pressure or diabetes and all that. So we're measuring all that stuff, and we're giving them some machines just to like measure their high blood pressure, and like giving them like things so they can like either like look out for or speak with their doctors and all that stuff. So, and then on top of that, we give out food boxes for the families that are in need. So that's the basic thing that we're doing for today.
And another thing I wanted to ask is, what do you think sets us apart from different organizations that can't really come up or do the same type of numbers that we do? Like, what do you think separates us from different organizations?
I believe that like they have our trust, you know. Whenever we call them, we let them know they trust us, and they know that it's legit, you know. There's nothing fishy going on with it, and like they trust Musa. Musa is like a very well-known person in the community, and they trust him. So and on top of that, we have the connection with the health, you know, and all that stuff. So they come here, and like, you know, we're supporting them, translating for them, filling out the paperworks, and just giving them the opportunity to be able to like open up to us with their issues and all that stuff, and we provide that service for them. So I think that's what sets us apart.
Great. Can you share any type of feedback you've received from anyone that's came through to the office, or a story or something like that?
Like doing this kind of work is amazing, because like there are people that like, you know, that you're either translating or filling out the paperwork or giving the food boxes. They're very appreciative, and like they thank you, they make a lot of dua for you and all that stuff. And doing that kind of work and seeing them how appreciative they are, it's like just makes your day better. And like, you know, you're helping out people that actually like need help, and just like it's like there's no other better work to do, to be honest. And it's you know, you're kind of making a difference in the community.
I agree. Appreciate the feedback. Signing off.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Runta News Channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.